Welcome to FoodCycler. In this video, we'll set up your new Eco5. Let's get started. First, place your Eco5 on a flat surface and make sure that the unit is unplugged. Open the unit lid and remove the carbon refill pack and power cord from inside the bucket. Remove the safety warning tab from the bucket as well. Next, let's set up your reusable carbon filter. Open the unit lid. Remove the reusable filter. It should slide out easily. To open the filter, twist the lid counterclockwise until it clicks open. Open the carbon filter packet and pour carbon filter pellets into the filter. We recommend doing this over a large bowl or your sink, as the pellets can be a bit messy if spilled. Replace the filter lid by turning the lids clockwise. Install the filter back into the unit and close the lid. Whenever you're ready to start a cycle, plug in your unit. Your Eco5 is now set up and ready for its first cycle. Learn more at www.foodcycler.com.